An Employee Disciplinary Action Form, also called a write-up form, is a written warning issued to an employee if they fail to fulfill a company's policies and/or requirements. Click the link in the description to start filling out your form right away. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of an Employee Disciplinary Action Form that you can quickly complete, sign, and submit online. Start filling out the form by adding the basic information of the employee in question, their full name, department, and supervisor's name. Use the date picker to date the form. In the next section, indicate the type of violation. If nothing fits, check Other and specify the disciplinary violation. In the right block, indicate when and where it took place. In the following sections, include both the employer's and employee's statement on the matter. Be as exhaustive as possible by including any evidence or dates. Add your final decision and spell out the expectations concerning the future behavior or performance of the employee. Add the name, title, and date of the approver, and give the employee a deadline for changing the situation. If the employee has been written up before, list all the instances on the left at the end of the form. Pass the document around and make sure every party involved certifies and dates the documents. Last but not least, check who needs to receive a copy of the executed document. Choose any way that is convenient for sharing the copy with other parties using the advanced options on the right. And that's it. Your form is good to go. Once every field has been completed and checked off, date and sign your Employee Disciplinary Action Form directly in the pdfFiller editor. Then, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you'd like to do with your document next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.